everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka and today I'm going to put up a video of what all I got for my birthday. I am so grateful for each and every gift that I have received. Now this video is not about boasting or to show off things that I have received. I'm just so grateful for all the effort people have put into give me presents, so much time and effort and so much thought into each and everything they've given me. I'm so grateful, and this video is up for you all to take reference if you want to give something to someone, or maybe you are someone like me who is just overwhelmed with the idea of giving something to someone. So I hope you find this video helpful. So let's begin. So the first present that I have here is this wonderful birthday trip that my partner had planned for me. He took me to Amritsar, the Golden Temple, Wagah border, and then we went to Dalhousie, which is an absolutely amazing, beautiful place. We spent our birthday there. He actually arranged quite a few things for me over there. There's a full vlog on it. Then we also went to Dharamshala. I vlogged everything. Up are these beautiful silver jewelry that I have received from my mother-in-law, and I absolutely love jewelry. And I always wanted something which is timeless and effortless to pair up with my Indian clothes. Now this jhumki is so beautiful. It has this beautiful silver, this beautiful stone right here, which is going to go effortlessly with all my outfits. This beautiful dome shaped jhumki, which is small but very elegant and very effortless. I love these. Now second up that I adore the most is this beautiful journal. Now this is a birthday journal. Now people have actually, all the people that love and care for me have taken out so much time and energy from their schedules and compiled this book for me. Now this has such beautiful messages from each one of my lovely family and friends, and it's so beautiful to look at, so beautiful to read. It's so heartwarming. So it's so personal. I absolutely love this gift. If you know someone who adores such kind of gifts, and who's not someone who's very materialistic, but someone who cherishes each and every moment, if you know someone, that person will love this gift. It's so beautiful. It's absolutely a must. It is amazing. I'm so grateful for each of the people who have taken out so much time and all the love. I can see the love and the care and the affection they hold for me. It's all in here, and I'm going to cherish this for the rest of my life. It's so beautiful. Now the next gift that I have received is a beautiful Kashmiri suit from my mother. Now I literally, while growing up, like, I used to be in awe of how beautiful these Kashmiri suits look. My mother used to wear them all the time, and I used to be like in awe. And the first warm winter suit that I bought was a Kashmiri suit, and I always gravitate towards them because it holds such a beautiful memory, and because of my mother. So this time she gifted me this beautiful Kashmiri black suit. Now this is like the shawl, the dupatta of it, but the actual suit has gone for stitching. But I just wanted to show you this. This is how gorgeous it is. This dupatta holds this whole embroidery, Kashmiri embroidery all over this shawl. Also, it has these vibrant colors and these golden embroideries. Now this is such a statement piece that I can actually wear it to parties and maybe to weddings, or all to those kind of functions. This is such a beautiful piece. I'm so grateful. What I have received is this huge gift packaging. Now this has my absolute favorite munchies of all time. This has these chocolates. I'm not a chocolate person, but the only chocolate that I eat are these dark chocolates from Amul, and they're all there. They are actually all there. I'm so grateful for this. I'm this late night munchy kind of a person who loves to munch so much onto these, junk things. But I'm so grateful that Bhaiya has been so thoughtful. This present is from my brother-in-law, and he has gifted me all the most healthiest items that he could find actually. So I will show you a few. This is the good chana thing from Japsons. Obviously, it is chana is very healthy. Gourd is also so good for your health. Second up is this peanuts. I tell you, he's been very mindful. Beetroot chips. Also, I'm like a plant-based person, so he's given me this. This is almond milk, the chai person during winters, and this is going to be so good for chai. Also, he's spoiled me with some Pringles, like quite a few Pringles in here. Then he's thrown up. Then he's also thrown up these mangoes. These are my absolute favorite. I love them. If you haven't tried these Achari Masti ones, you should definitely try. These are really good. Also, apart from this, he's given me a beautiful cup, a beautiful diary, little diary that I can just throw into my bag and travel. I'm not someone who like types in, keep things into like their laptops and their phones. I like just writing them down into my diaries. So this is going to be very handy. Also, he's given me the most beautiful keychain. It's this Christmas talking keychain. It's adorable. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love how gorgeous this looks. And this says Christmas. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love this.